Welcome to Edit Learning and Design. My name is Christy Zuhl, and I will be walking you through today's tutorial. During this video, we will be discussing how to design a training video and an overview of the process. We'll take you through 10 simple steps and share with you what you can do to make the process simpler for you. In step 1, the designer sits down with you and identifies your goals. This can be summarized as, what are your needs? What are your goals? What are the parameters of the project? What is in scope and what is out of scope? As a general rule, during this conversation, the designer is trying to determine what you are asking for help with and what you are trying to solve for. Step 2 is the needs analysis. This is where the designer is gathering information from you to determine the topics that need to be covered in the training and where there might be unexpected gaps. Some examples of the way that a designer might gather information include policy documents or company manuals, interviews with employees or management, as well as observations of the targeted group doing their jobs, expert feedback and/or working with subject matter experts, sometimes called SMEs. Once the needs analysis is complete, the designer moves on to step 3 and creates an outline based on what they've learned. This step is where the designer will group like topics and organize all the information to tell the story that needs to be conveyed to the learner. Once the outline is complete and you agree with the content, step 4 begins. This is the storyboarding phase. In this step, the designer will create a rough sketch of what the video might look like. It maps out how the video will flow and visually represents what the end product will look like. Step 5 is sometimes included with step 4 of the storyboard. Other times, if voiceover talent is being used, a formal script may be created. In this case, the script is written phonetically so that the speaker knows how to pronounce any words that are special to your brand, but that aren't pronounced or said the way that they look. For example, acronyms that are spoken as a word. When the storyboard is signed off on, you are ready to move to step 6, and we begin developing the video. The video is designed based on the storyboard, and the voiceover is included to ensure the timing of the animation is correct. Steps 7 through 9 are the review cycle steps for the video. We do 3 reviews. In Alpha Review, which is the client's first look at the video, you get to catch any big items and to resolve any issues with the voiceover. All big changes need to be caught in this review so that there's time to address them. The Beta Review allows you to see the corrections that were made as well as give any last-minute feedback on small details or things that need minor tweaks. The Beta Review does not include any major changes to the video. Final sign-off is the last step of the review cycle. At this point, the video is ready to be published. Once final sign-off has occurred, the designer will publish the files. They will produce any documents or storyboards that were used, and they will deliver them to you. If you are using a learning management system that requires an executable file, this will also be delivered. Those are the 10 steps to designing a video. 1. Meet with the client and identify goals. 2. Conduct the needs analysis. 3. Create the outline. 4. Create the storyboard. 5. Write the script. 6. Develop the video. 7, 8, 9. Complete the 3-step review cycle. 10. Publish and deliver the final files to the client.